We will now look at the reading settings. Click on Settings and Reading. We will not be using any posts in this course, and we deleted the lone page WordPress had created for us. So, before we can configure the reading settings for our site here, we need to add a page. This reading settings page will then change and show you more options. But we need to change this setting. For each article in the feed show, you want to select Summary. You do not want the RSS feed to have entire articles. There are lots of scrapers that scrape RSS feeds from sites and put them on their own sites. If you display entire articles in your RSS feed, they will copy your entire articles and post them on their sites. You do not want that to happen, which is why you choose Summary. You do not want to change anything else here. Let's add a page now. Let's call this page Home and click Publish. Unless you click Publish, your page will not be published and you will not see it in the reading settings page. Now, let's go back to reading settings, and now you see this option, front page displays. We need the home page to be a static page. When it's installed, WordPress is configured to show a list of posts as a home page. We do not want that. We will not be using posts here, and we want the front page to be a static home page. To do that, you need to select this option and choose front page as the page we just created right now. We will select Summary here. And we will save the changes. If you see what the site looks like now, you will see that the site is displaying the page we just created as the home page. In the next video, we will take a look at configuring discussion settings.